안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 미국 대분입니다. Think of fall. What comes into your mind? Do you think of the leaves changing colors to red, gold, and oranges, like how I tried to do in my eyeshadow? Do you think of a cool breeze? Do you think of Halloween? Do you think of Halloween? I think of Halloween. I have ghosts on my nails. Growing up and living in Maine, I think of all of those things and so much more. I think of apple cider. I think of the warm or cool taste of the sourness, the sweetness of the brown sugar. So today, we will be making our own apple cider. Well, let's go see the ingredients. And now, once we have all of the ingredients put together in the pot, the instructions say we bring it to a boil, and once it's boiled, we put it down to simmer for about 2 hours. See you when it's done. Alright, it has been 2 hours since the start of this brew. And the instructions now say to have it simmer uncovered for another hour. And you have to take out the orange halves and mush things up a bit. But I will leave the full link to the recipe and instructions down in the link below. Almost there. Also, did you guys know this is what happens when cinnamon gets like hot and stuff? Or is it just me being dumb? Because these were all swirled up. Okay, I'm just gonna say that it was just me being dumb. But this looks cool so far. Woo! Alright, now it is the end of the night, finally. It is now just past 10:30. Also, if you see a face or something in there, let me know. It'll be too late. I'll be gone by the time you see this video, but let me know down in the comments. Okay, that is all that was left in the pot. And now we just wait for this to drain through. Look at how much there is. Oh my god. Well, there better be a lot after all that work and time I've put into it. It's nearly 10:30. I'm so tired, but I'm gonna finish this and I'm going to drink it and review it. I'll be back. I am ready to take a little sippy sip of the cider. It's said to serve hot. Also, it's kind of like got this stuff in it. But that's what the picture on the site that I'll link down below looked like anyway. So there's no big chunks of apple or cloves or anything in it. So I'm just gonna like sit and try not to burn my esophagus. It smells really good. That is really good. Oh my god. Dare I say that tastes better than any apple cider that I've ever bought, I've ever had, I've ever tasted. This is so less sugary and less acidic and less like, it tastes so good. It tastes refreshing, it tastes warm. It tastes like a fall evening. After like 4 hours of work, but well worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Annyeong!